80 words your baby must know. Hello kids, good morning. Today we are gonna learn the first 80 words you must know. Come on, let's start learning. The. Say it with me. The. And. Say it with me. And. Say it with me. To. Repeat after me. To. Said. Repeat after me. Said. In. Say it with me. In. He. Repeat after me. He. I. Say it with me. I. Off. Repeat after me. Off. It. Say it with me. It. Was. Repeat after me. Was. You. Say it with me. You. They. Repeat after me. They. On. Say it with me. On. She. Repeat after me. She. Is. Say it with me. Is. For. Repeat after me. For. At. Say it with me. At. His. Repeat after me. His. But. Say it with me. But. That. Say it with me. That. With. Repeat after me. With. All. Say it with me. All. We. Repeat after me. We. Can. Say it with me. Can. Are. Repeat after me. Are. Up. Say it with me. Up. Had. Say it with me. Had. My. Repeat after me. My. Her. Say it with me. Her. What. Say it with me. What. There. Repeat after me. There. Out. Say it with me. Out. This. Repeat after me. This. Have. Say it with me. Have. Went. Say it with me. Went. Be. Repeat after me. Be. Like. Say it with me. Like. Some. Repeat after me. Some. So. Say it with me. So. Not. Say it with me. Not. Then. Say it with me. Then. Where. Repeat after me. Where. Go. Say it with me. Go. Little. Repeat after me. Little. As. Say it with me. As. No. Repeat after me. No. Mum. Say it with me. Mum. One. Repeat after me. One. Them. Say it with me. Them. Do. Say it with me. Do. Me. Repeat after me. Me. Down. Say it with me. Down. Dad. Repeat after me. Dad. Big. Say it with me. Big. When. Repeat after me. When. It's. Say it with me. It's. See. Repeat after me. See. Looked. Say it with me. Looked. Very. Repeat after me. Very. Look. Say it with me. Look. Don't. Repeat after me. Don't. Come. Say it with me. Come. Will. Repeat after me. Will. Into. Say it with me. Into. Back. Repeat after me. Back. From. Say it with me. From. Children. Repeat after me. Children. Him. Say it with me. Him. Mr. Repeat after me. Mr. Get. Say it with me. Get. Just. Repeat after me. Just. Now. Say it with me. Now. Came. Repeat after me. Came. Oh. Say it with me. Oh. About. Repeat after me. About. Got. Say it with me. Got. There. Repeat after me. There. People. Say it with me. People. Your. Repeat after me. Your. Let's take a break. Children, stand up. Look to your left. Look to your right. Look to your left. Look to your right. Look to your left. Look to your right. Great job. Now stand straight. Turn left. Turn right. Turn left. Turn right. Turn left. Turn right. Great job. Now stand straight. Jump as high as you can. Jump up as high as you can. Jump up as high as you can. Very good. Now let's continue. This time, let's read it together. The and a to said in he I of it was you they on she is for at his but that with all we can are up had my her what there out this have went be like some so not then where go little as no mum one them do me, down, dad, big, when, it's, see, looked, very, look, don't, come, will, into, back, from, children, him, Mr., get, just, now, came, oh, about, got, there, people, your. Let's take a break. Children, stand up. Look to your left, look to your right. Look to your left, look to your right. Look to your left, look to your right. Great job. Now stand straight. Turn left. Turn right. Turn left. Turn right. Turn left. Turn right. Great job. Now stand straight. Jump as high as you can. Jump up as high as you can. Jump up as high as you can. Very good. Now let's continue. Now this time let's read a bit faster. The, and, a, to, said, in, he, I, of, it, was, you, they, on, she, is, for, at, his, but, that, with, all, we, can, are, up, had, my, her, what, there, out, this, have, went, be, like, some, so, not, then, where, go, little, as, no, mum, one, them, do, me, down, dad, big, when, it's, see, looked, very, look, don't, come, will, into, back, from, children, him, Mr., get, just, now, came, oh, about, got, there, people, your. Okay, sweetheart, we have seen a lot today, haven't we? Let's learn more on my next video. Before that, remind mommy and daddy to subscribe to this channel to get new videos update. See you soon. Bye-bye.